Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So we got Redken on the mat right now, giving that moisture and smooth finish for her curls and hydration. That Redken acidic bonding treatment is perfect for the girls who are going to get a silk press. As you can see, that's what she has, and look at the finished results. It's just so beautiful, so bouncy. She's feeling herself. And I just love it. I just love using that. We just started off with a hydration cleanse, and we used the Redken acidic bonding treatment to give her some more moisture and just to prepare her hair for heat. And I just wanted to pop in for a little bit. You know, this is a little short. So I'll see you guys again. Bye.